There's actually two parts of this question. One, we do have high voltage in the back of the welder where the primary power comes into the transformer, and also inside the weld control. That's where we have our high voltage side. On our secondary side, where the operator's at, we don't have a problem with a high voltage out there. Normally it's very low voltage, 3 to 5 volts on most of the equipment, and so we don't have a problem with getting shocked at the operator position. We do ask that most of our customers and most people with resistance welders have the machine earth grounded. So if there is any leakage of voltage from the transformer, it will go to ground and it will blow the disconnect and shut that power off.